Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and win rewards or earn rewards on your DramaWave application on your mobile device? This is the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, what I want you to do is simply go ahead and open your app store and simply search for DramaWave and make sure that you have downloaded and installed it onto your device. Finally, once you've installed it, simply tap on open. Now on the bottom right hand side of your screen, as you can see, there is a rewards button. Now what you can do is simply go ahead and watch ads. You can also read news and open 2 pages. As you can see, it's going to give you a lot of tasks to go ahead and earn all these coins that later you can spend and buy more shows. So that is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll